In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage fixed assets in QuickBooks Online. Managing your fixed assets is an essential part of keeping your business's financial records accurate and up to date. Whether you're tracking depreciation, adding new assets, or removing items from your list, QuickBooks Online provides a user-friendly way to handle it all. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a link in the description below to get started with an account. Now let's dive into the process step by step. First, open QuickBooks Online and locate the navigation panel on the left-hand side of the screen. This panel is your main hub for accessing all the features and tools within QuickBooks. Once you've found it, click on the Advanced Accounting section. This will take you to the area where you can manage more complex financial tasks, including your fixed assets. Next, look for and select the Fixed Assets tab. This is the dedicated area for managing the long-term assets that your business owns. Once you're there, you'll see a complete list of all the fixed assets that have been added to your QuickBooks account. Take a moment to review this list. It provides an overview of all the items your business owns, such as equipment, vehicles, or property. If you want to dig deeper into the details of any particular asset, simply click on the asset's name. This will open up a detailed view where you can see important information about the asset's depreciation. You'll find data on how much value the asset loses each year, the original value of the asset, and its remaining value. Reviewing these details can help you understand how the asset's value changes over time and how it impacts your financial statements. Now, let's say you need to add a new asset to your list. To do this, click on the Add an Asset button located at the top right of the page. A form will appear where you can enter key information about the asset. Start by providing the asset's name, such as office printer or delivery van. Then enter the purchase date and the cost of the asset. If there are additional details to note, like its useful life or a warranty, be sure to include those as well. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, click Save, and the new asset will be added to your list. If you come across an asset that needs to be removed, perhaps because it was entered by mistake or is a duplicate, you can delete it quickly. Locate the asset in the list, then click on the small caret icon next to it. From the menu that appears, select Delete. A confirmation message will pop up, asking you to confirm the deletion. Be sure to only proceed if you're certain the asset should be removed, as this action cannot be undone. And that's it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your fixed assets in QuickBooks Online, ensuring your records are accurate and up to date. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.